this video will show you a Range Rover Sport rear airbag replacement. The video only shows the steps for one-sided replacement. In practice, airbags need to be replaced in pairs. Prepare the airbag and removal tools before disassembly. Tire removal. Remove the fender. Carefully release the trigger until you hear the sound of air escaping. Pull out the top retaining clip. Push up the remove airbag. Whether the old and new air suspensions are consistent, then you can install the new airbag. Fasten the top clip. Reinstall the trigger. Then put the fender back on. Finally put back the tire. Lower the vehicle. Inflate the bag. Check with diagnostic